kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video it will be the part 6 of my video series, and in this video I will complete the login part of our project. So in this video I will do the forgot password inside this our Android project. So let's get started. So as you guys can see that in our previous video, I mean the part 5, I had done the authentication with the Firebase, and now we can use the Firebase forgot password feature. So for that, first of all, we can say alert dialog. We need to use the custom alert dialog, and there we will have the edit text, and then we can get the values from the user, I mean get the email, and then we can check if the email is already present in our Firebase authentication or not. So if the email is already present, so we can send the email to the email specified by the user, and then the user can easily change his password. So here we have the alert dialog dot builder, and we name it as alert equal to new alert dialog dot builder, and inside that we can pass main activity dot this. Alright, and after that we need to have a linear layout, so we can say linear layout, and we name it as container equal to new linear layout, and inside that we can pass our activity context, so we can say main activity dot this. Then we can say container dot set orientation, and we need to set the orientation to vertical. So for that we can say linear layout dot vertical. Then we need to use some layout parameters, so for that we can say linear layout dot layout params, and we name it as IP equal to new linear layout dot new linear layout dot layout params, and inside that we can say linear layout dot match parent layout params dot match parent, and then we can say linear layout dot layout params dot wrap content, and after that we can set the margin, so we can say IP dot set margins, and for the margin, for the left margin we can say 50, then for the top we can say 0, then for the right we can also say 0, and for the bottom we can say 100. After that we now need to use the edit text, so we can say final edit text, and we name it as input equal to new edit text, and here we can pass our activity context, so we can say dot this. So after that we can now set the layout parameters, so for that we can say input dot set layout params, and inside this we can pass our parameters, so I pass the IP here, and then we can say input we can set the gravity, so we can say dot set gravity, and for the gravity we can say gravity dot top and gravity dot start. Alright, then we need to set the input type, so we can say input dot set input type, and for the input type we can say input type dot type text flag cap sentences, and we can say input dot set lines 1, and then we can say input dot set max lines, and it will also be 1. And finally we can add our view, so we can say container dot add view, and inside this view we can first of all pass the input and the IP, and then we can finally say alert dot set message, and inside this message we can pass enter your registered email address, and we can also set the title, so we can say set title, and we can say forgot password, and finally we can say alert dot set view, and we can pass the container here. And after that we can say alert dot, let me say here, okay, so here we can say alert dot set the positive button, and for that button we can say submit, and then we can say new dialog on click listener, and also inside that we can get our input from the user, so we can say string entered email, and we can say entered email equal to input dot get text dot to string, and after that we can check. Okay, so we will check it later, I will add all the checks, but for that, for now we can say auth dot send password reset email. Okay, and inside that we just need to send the entered email, and now we can use the add on complete listener, so we can say new on complete listener, and inside this we can now check if the task is complete or if the task is successful. So we can now first of all dismiss the dialog and print a toast message that email sent, please check your email. Alright, so guys, that was it. Also we need to add it to this, I mean, let me see where is this forgot password. Just copy that and open your main activity here, and inside this text view, let me see where it is. Okay, so here we can have the on click event and write forgot password. Alright guys, so I think that is enough for today. So let me give you a recap of what we have done so far. So first of all, we created the login activity, and then we created the registered activity, then we integrated the Firebase, and then we did the login part of our project. And now in this video we have done the forgot password feature in this video. So guys, that was the part 6 of my video series, and now in our next part of the video series I will cover the sign up feature, and then we will also see how we can insert the values inside our Firebase database. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.